Part 12c. P is the centre of a third circle, C3. C2 touches C3 internally. Determine the equation of C3. So we're told that there's another circle around this point, P3. We're told that this circle touches internally. So it's going to have to be a large circle that touches it right at the edges here. So I've drawn a sketch. So our point P here is the middle bit, and we need to draw a circle that was large enough that it touched C2 internally. Okay, so how do we work out the equation of this circle? Well, you have your normal equation of the circle, which is, so how do you work out the equation of the circle? Well, you'll have your x minus a squared minus or plus y minus b squared equals r squared. Okay, we already have our points for p. We worked that out in the previous question. So we already have x minus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared. So all we need is the radius. So what does the radius equal? Well, we want to know basically this distance from here to, we want to know, I'll draw in a different color so it's nice and clear. We want to know this distance from here to here, okay? So what do we know so far? Well, we know that the radius of C2 is 25. So from there to there is going to be 25, okay? And we already worked out in the previous question that the distance from P, which is the center of the third circle, to C2 is 15. So this radius here is going to be 25 plus 15, which is just 40. Okay, so our radius becomes 40. So this just becomes 40 squared, which you can put in your calculator. 40 squared equals 1600. So that equals 1600, and that's your final equation there. And you just get your mark for writing that equation. Now this is quite tricky, and it's only worth 1 mark. So don't be completely panicked if you didn't see it straight away, because there's other marks you could pick up in other way that are easier to get.